After learning the first S, sort, Seri, Ravi's table was clean. But now he faced a new challenge. All his tools were there, but never in the right place. One day, his supervisor smiled and said, "Ravi, it's time for the second S. Set in order, Seiton. Everything should have its own place, so you never waste time searching." Ravi started organizing every single tool. He created outlines on a shadow board, used color labels, and made everything easy to find. Now, every item has a fixed spot, and work flows smoothly. No more searching, no more confusion, just clarity, speed, and focus. That's the meaning of set in order, Seiton. When everything has a proper place, work becomes effortless and the mind stays calm. Second S, set in order, Seiton. A place for everything and everything in its place. Presented by the unique quality consultancy, building quality step by step. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and tell us in the comments how you plan to apply set in order in your workplace. Don't forget to subscribe to TUQC for more practical quality learning videos. Also, comment below, which topic of ISO or 5S would you like to see next? Your feedback helps us create better content for professionals like you.